Dear students, welcome back to Chem Aspire. In this lecture series, we are going to discuss about the various topics in polymers. Let's get started. Before going into the various topics of polymers, in this video, we are going to discuss about what is a polymer, what is monomer, what is polymerization reaction, and what is degree of polymerization. So let's start with what is a polymer. The word polymer is derived from the Greek word poly means many, mer means units. Polymer is a Greek word derived from Greek word poly means many and mer means units. Since they have a broad spectrum of properties, both synthetic and natural polymers find a wide range of applications in day-to-day life. So let us know what is the definition of the term polymer. Polymer is nothing but is a macromolecule formed by linking together of large number of small units. So how can we define polymer? Polymer is a macromolecule. That means it is a large molecule, and this molecule is how it is formed? It is formed by linking together of large number of small units, and these small units are called as monomers. So how a polymer is formed? Polymer is formed by linking together of large number of small units. The small units are just linked together to form a large molecule of a polymer. So the examples we can think for these polymers are polyethylene. We come across in daily life. Polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, polyvinyl alcohol, nylon, etc. Right? So these are some of the examples for polymer. So polymer is a macromolecule formed by linking together of the small units. So let us say, for example, let us take the example of ethylene molecule, CH2 double bond CH2. So this is your ethylene molecule. This is your ethylene. So this ethylene molecule undergoes polymerization. It undergoes polymerization to form polyethylene. Right? So you know that say n number of ethylene molecules, they undergo polymerization to form polyethylene. So what is the structure for polyethylene? So n number of molecules, one ethylene, next ethylene. So the molecules combine together and it forms a big molecule of polyethylene. So this is the structure of polyethylene. This is your polyethylene. Okay, so this is how polyethylene is formed from ethylene. Say for example, if I am adding 3 molecules of ethylene, so how it can be like this? This is your one ethylene molecule. This is 3 molecules of ethylene are combining. It is undergoing polymerization. So what will be the structure of the polyethylene that could be formed? So 3 molecules of ethylene have combined. For an example, I am telling, say this is the structure of your polyethylene molecule. So simply these molecules add on together to form a large molecule of ethylene. So polymer is a macromolecule formed by linking together of large number of small units. So this is the polymer molecule. And similarly, you can write the formation of polyvinyl chloride from vinyl chloride. So what is the structure of polyvinyl chloride? CH2 double bond CHCl. So this is the structure of vinyl chloride, and this vinyl chloride, say n number of vinyl chlorides are combining or undergoing polymerization to form polyvinyl chloride. So what may be the structure? CH2 single bond CH Cl n times. So n molecules of vinyl chloride undergoes polymerization to form polyvinyl chloride, which is popularly called as PVC. So vinyl chloride undergoes polymerization to form polyvinyl chloride. So let us take one more example is polystyrene. Let us take the formation of polystyrene from styrene molecule. So what is the structure for styrene molecule? CH, and this is your structure of styrene. So let us consider that n molecules of styrene are undergoing polymerization to form polystyrene. So what is the structure? CH2 single bond CH. This is the structure of polystyrene. So now we know what is a polymer. Polymer is a macromolecule formed by linking together of large number of small units. We have seen the example of formation of polyethylene from ethylene, formation of polyvinyl chloride from vinyl chloride, and formation of polystyrene from styrene. Right. So now let us move on to what is a monomer. Monomer is a single repeating unit that is present in the long chain of polymer. Let me repeat once again. Monomer is a single repeating unit that is present in the long chain of polymer. So now let us consider the formation of, let us know what is a monomer, right? So say vinyl chloride is undergoing polymerization. I am taking 3 vinyl chloride. So what may be the structure? CH2, CH, Cl, CH2, CH, Cl, CH2, CH, Cl. Okay, so this is your polyvinyl chloride. Okay, so what is the repeating unit that is, what is the unit that is repeating? The CH2 CHCl is repeating, right? CH2 CHCl, the vinyl chloride molecule is repeating in the polymer chain, right? Vinyl chloride, vinyl chloride, vinyl chloride, vinyl chloride, like this. So what is a monomer? Monomer is nothing but it is a repeating unit, single repeating unit that is present in the long chain of polymer. So what is a monomer? Monomer is a single repeating unit that is present in the long chain of a polymer. So if we want to find out what is the monomer present in the polymer, it is very simple, right? If you say that polyethylene, what is a polymer? What is the monomer that is present in polyethylene? Obviously it is ethylene. If you say the polymer is polyvinyl alcohol, what is the monomer present in polyvinyl alcohol? It is vinyl alcohol. If you say that in polystyrene is a polymer, what is the monomer present in polystyrene? Styrene. So we can easily identify the monomer that is present in the polymer. So monomer is a single repeating unit that is present in the long chain of a polymer. So we know what is a monomer. So what is polymerization reaction? Polymerization reaction is again formation of polymers from the monomers. It is a reaction in which the monomers combine together to form a polymer molecule. So the previous examples we can think about. So formation of polyvinyl chloride from vinyl chloride is a polymerization reaction. Formation of polystyrene from styrene is a polymerization reaction. Formation of polyethylene from ethylene is a polymerization reaction. So polymerization reaction is a reaction in which number of monomer units combine together to form a large molecule of a polymer. So that is what is known as polymerization reaction. Now let us know what is meant by degree of polymerization. What is meant by degree of polymerization? So degree of polymerization is nothing but the number of monomeric units that is present in the long chain of polymer is called as degree of polymerization. So degree of polymerization is the number of repeating units that is present in the long chain of the polymer. So degree of polymerization is represented as dP, or it is also represented as N. Right? Degree of polymerization is represented as dP. It is the number of repeating units that is present in the long chain of a polymer. So the number of repeating units is represented as dP or N. Suppose let us for the example. So let us consider the formation of polyethylene from ethylene. Say N number of ethylene molecules are undergoing polymerization to form polyethylene, CH2 single bond CH2N. That is polyethylene. Right? So here the number of repeating units is N. N number of units are combining to give a long chain of the polymer. Here the degree of polymerization is N. Degree of polymerization is equal to N. So if we consider, say, some 10,000 molecules of ethylene are combining together to form a polyethylene having 10,000 molecules, here the degree of polymerization is 10,000. Suppose say 1 lakh molecule of ethylene are combining together undergoing polymerization to give polyethylene, the degree of polymerization is 1 lakh. Right? So degree of polymerization is nothing but it is the number of repeating units that is present in the long chain of polymers. So dear students, in this class we have discussed about what is polymer, what is monomer, what is polymerization reaction, and what is degree of polymerization. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.